you. I don't know what it is that you've done to me. Baba. Again, such a crazy way. May ubo na ba lahat? I miss you, Kuya Axel. I miss you too, po. Cause my heart starts beating triple times when you're on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do, cause it can't please you. Hindi ko ata totoo, no? So weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control and something takes over me. In the days you love so amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. By my side I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off of my feet. Miss mo na ba si Isong? Opo. I'm gonna support him na lang. Jimmy Sisong, Hisong, yes! Hawak mo ang beat. Mukbang. Ay, gusto ko mag-week. Gusto ko mag-mukbang. Babalik sa CCP. Kapag na-invite po kami ulit. Should I sleep now? Malalim. I feel like I should save my voice. Kay Axel na padaan lang. May pasok ka ba bukas? Opo. Can you stop asking me about Hizum, bro? May class ka tomorrow? Yes, I have class tomorrow. Dubai Chewy Kuki. Guys, alam niyo, wala dapat kami yung pasok bukas, but they made it weird. Like, you don't have class on some campus, but you have class on other campus. So, nagkataon may class ako sa ibang campus, so kailangan ko pumasok. That's so stupid. Adi na light. Gusto niyo? Hindi ko to favorite, pero baby, tell me why'd you have to go? Because this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I've run long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ano daw? Ano favorite recent cravings mo? Sweets. Ano recent craving mo? Lambing po. Maganda na life na ako bukas. So may training kami. School ako. Guys, you have so much shit to do. Kasi ko Justin, malo po. Lambing ilaw. I don't know. Because I love Dunkin. Who doesn't love Dunkin, guys? Kambing na lang daw, wag na lambing. Pwede, pwede. May new song ba kaya? Spoiler sa new song. Nandito ba si Kuya Justin? Nandito ba siya? Kuya Justin, niya ako. Miss ko na po kayo. Tsaka si Wonyong po. Sandali, huwag madali. Pagkawala. Mag-end na ako maya-maya. I feel like I need to sleep. Kasi guys, bukas na yun, enlistment. I'm scared. Nag-relapse bigla. Hindi. Oh, ikaw yun ang shopping sa mall. Baiso ba si Sono? Opo, tsaka si Zoom, guys. Naiyak ako. Kapag may times na parang pag nagkita ko yung hype na like picture niya na gano'n, medyo na, guys, what the hell? It kind of hurt. Borderline, no more shout out, and this is my shout out. Imotero, he's on shipper double. soft moves. I don't know how to do it. Isipin mo ko ulit. How can you show it? Shout. Sumasakit siya. What the hell? Shout. 진짜 내 목소리로 내가 진짜 뭘 전해 우리 함께 새기는 아름 진정 터지고 가져가 멀리 이제 소리쳐 외쳐 The story of you and I When we're together stay You make it better My life without you is a misery Where's Chicana? She's busy guys She's in the show actually 세상을 흔드는 넌 의식해 Anong school pinag-aaralan? School of Critic with soft moves. Gusto ni Kissy ka with you. Yes! Guys, manonood ba kaya pag nag-concert kami?
Baby, you decide. No matter what I do, I can't keep you in line. No intent to play cool, but here's a new side. You bring it out of me, so what's it
Hindi po.
about?
Aray ko, guys. May concert kami.
You play in the same place. You must be out of your mind. This time I'm taking up the reins. Apologize. I've been so fed up all week. Stupid boys ain't what I need.
Wala po. My skin's kind of weird.
Love is so much, love is so much. Love is so much, love is so much.
I'm lost in music. I'm so sorry.
Does it mess you up? Does it mess you up? Got my career on my mind. Money dropping New York City. Look in the mirror and I'm like,
Pahinga ka na.
pretty. Mentally and I don't fight. Thank God I keep so busy. Some things you know I'll never do so. And my heart was like an open sore. So like 20 years when I was
Pahinga ka na. Ganito ka magpahinga, guys.
like God. And the cherry on top.
I am not the star.
So much. It's exactly what I want.
Ano skincare mo? Guys, wala akong skincare. But I have a derma. I actually, nakatak mo ako. I feel like
Skincare really doesn't work for me, but my skin's dry. So, parang wina-wash ko lang talaga siya, and moisturizer.
I'm 22 to live sad, but it's fun. I am no next
You play volleyball? I don't, but I know how to, but I'm not good. Guys, mag-comment kayo para basahin ko. Babasahin ko. Okay, magbabasa na ako ng comments, guys. Room tour mo kami. Look at the room. Room to ng kapatid ko. Naka-live ako. Room to ng kapatid ko. Is this Tagalog?
We were so happy, why not mix it up?
Wala pa ako matulog.
Pwede.
I'm so at peace, yeah.
Pakita kita.
No way to know just who you're thinking of.
Ano sabi mo?
Wish you didn't have a mind. Flip like a switch, like a wandering trip.
Di ba't ganun yung tanong niya? Dapat iba pa.
Just the
House tour po kayo kasi bababa ako. Pinapaalis na ako ng kapatid ko sa kwarto.
come to this.
Only Tagalog. Kaya ko mag-Tagalog, guys.
Baby, I'm not.
Alam niyo ba na yung una kong language, Tagalog? Sinong kapatid? Si Kuya Sean. Pakita ko siya kasi.
Bakit yan Bakit?
Kayo?
Bakit nandyan yan?
Alin?
Nandyan, oh. Ang daming donut.
Akin yan. Ito naman Guys, nagtatagalog talaga ako. Akala nila di ako nagtatagalog. Kunyo daw ako.
Okay, sure.
Shama. Cute niyang magkapatid. Dito siya, guys. Pinapaalis niyo na ako, guys. Pakita ko siya sa inyo. Is this Tagalog? Mag-Chinese na lang. Chi. Okay, room tour. This is my brother's room, guys. Wow. May ano siya, loaf? Loaf ba? Loaf bed. Loaf? Ano tawag dun? Rock hingi. Ano yun, guys? Yung rock hingi? Ano favorite song mo? I like...
Bye, fans. Thank you.
Ayan. Ingay. Okay, I'm going down to the stairs. Hindi tayo malalagpan. Oh, it's kind of maganda. Ano favorite song mo? Pero mag-end na din ako kasi loaf bread. Loaf. This is my room. It's kind of messy. Very simple. gusto ko kunin yung room niya kasi may loft. Over naman sa shake. Ba't ganun yung mata ko? Oh. Still sauna bias. Yes, I love sauna, guys. I should probably sleep. This is my perfume collection. What the hell? Nantok na ako, guys. I love your necklace. It's given by my mom. Tulog na ako. Matutulog na po ako. Good night, guys. Dapat mag-vlog ako next time na. Guys, welcome to my room. Ay, si Alex. Ayoko na. Ay, si Alex.
Okay. Thank you, Leah. Thank you so much, Leah. Thank you.